Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to talk about the interface strategy to set up a product launch for a multi-person project. And to do that, we're going to go briefly inside of an existing project so you'll have visual while we discuss what we're going to be doing. Now, the basis for this project is going to be twofold. It's going to be one, to set up for a product launch, and then two, to be saved as a template to be used for future product launches. So the first thing we'll be doing is we'll be assembling the team. Then we'll be creating groups for the teams. And then we'll set up our groups of to-do list for the launch. Then we'll add in the content in the way of files as well as text documents. Then we'll use the calendar, to-do list, and the event tab in order to set dates for the team. We'll then set our dates for our to-do lists. We'll then make team assignments for our to-do list. And then we'll determine a tracking routine for the project. We'll then save our base document to be a future template. Then we'll come back to the end of the project, and then we will remove anyone from the project that we don't want to continue. And by so doing this, we'll be applying all of the things that we have learned previously in the other videos. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.